Hi everyone. Today, I'm so excited to share something really special that I've been working on. This hand-embroidered hoop that I made another one just for my mom for Mother's Day. Mom, this is for you. Every stitch in this hoop is a little piece of my love and gratitude. As I embroidered, I thought about all the times you've supported me, comforted me, and made our house a home. This gift is simple, but it comes straight from my heart, just like the way you always give to us, selflessly and with so much love. Whether you're looking to create a special handmade gift or just want to try something creative and relaxing, this tutorial is for you. So grab your hoop, needle, and thread, and let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this hand embroidery project and feel inspired to create your own beautiful gift. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and craft ideas. And don't forget to leave a comment. I'd love to hear how your project turned out. See you in the next video.